Here I've got HUAWEI Nova 5T, and let me show you how to activate timer in your camera on the following device. So at first you have to find and select your camera app, then click on the settings icon right here, locate and open timer, and now just pick after how many seconds you would like to take a picture, so it can be 2, 5, 10 seconds, you can adjust it to your current needs. Let me pick 2 seconds for now, and as you can see now, if I will be taking a picture, it will be done after 2 seconds. This is it. Obviously you can switch between those modes to, for example, 5 seconds, or you can go back to the normal mode, so smoothly you can switch the timer off, and now the picture will be taken immediately after your click. So that would be all. This is how you can set up camera timer in your HUAWEI Nova 5T. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.